See, that was pretty nice, babe. There you go. Check it out. Check it out. She made some sweet welds. Check it out. She did it. She did it. First timer.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see some car stuff.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so got the front loop or hoop welded in, or at least tacked in most places, and the steel plate welded in most places. I'm going to start cutting out the fender wells, or more so wheel wells, and then also all the like kind of side structure. Once I get the bumper support done, because I want to get these at the proper height for my bumper when I reattach it. So going to mock up a few bars that I have to cut and notch for right here and there. I've got it equally spaced out from the center going 7 inches each way, so they're 14 inches apart. Gonna pass through here and attach to some angle iron. And yeah, so I mean, that should be an interesting project. It's probably gonna take me a while. Maybe by end of the day, I'll actually start having some cuts and doing more subtractive than additive for working. Because once I start cutting it, it'll really start looking more like a race car or drift car. So that'll be pretty cool. So that's kind of where it stands right now. Gonna keep jumping at it. I think I forgot to film welding up that side, but so it goes. Yeah, just trying to figure this one out. I'm not going off of any design or other people's work. I'm just kind of figuring this one out on my own. As I've seen a lot of different ways of kind of setting up your headlights and fenders and everything like that, but the way that I have planned makes sense to me, so that's the way I'm gonna go. So I'm certainly not any expert. This is the first time I'm ever doing a roll cage or front bash bar or anything like that. So this is kind of a new project and new territory for me, which is what makes it fun. So again, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, and check out the old videos if you haven't seen them. So I'm gonna keep cracking on this. Thanks, guys. Yeah, so I actually was about to continue working on this until I realized it's 5 o'clock and I haven't even eaten lunch yet. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up here, grab something quick to eat, and then I think Amanda and I are gonna come back here tonight. Maybe she'll do some more welding, and I'm definitely gonna get this done. Or well, not done, I'm gonna keep working on the 240 to get what I can done. So, all right. Anyways, gonna keep moving. See you guys. All right, so Amanda asked me to teach her how to weld, so I'm going to. And then I'll jump back to doing the 240 stuff. But gotta be a good boyfriend and treat your girlfriend right. So, teaching her how to weld. That gets all the sticker shit off of it, and then we go back to polishing wheel. Alright, now put. Well, actually, here, first, just check it out. See how I'm angling it like this? You want to come in from an angle and remember the cursive ease, and you know, use your hand to help you keep the straight line because it's going to be difficult to see. Climax for nothing. That's trigger and target the table, cleans it off. So.
That's so cool.
Right.
You ready to stop them?
Yeah, so see how that was
Oh, well. It smells good. I like that it smells. Oh, wow, these are hot.
try mine, you'll be able to see it better.
Like the head just doing.
Mine's auto adjusted.
Oh, wow.
There's another car.
Okay. Should I go over here?
Yeah.
Really fun.
See, that was pretty nice, babe. There you go. Check it out. Check it out. She made some sweet welds. Check it out. She did it. She did it. First timer.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see some car stuff.